First, let's check how to mount the fire panel. After unboxing, open the door of the panel using a screwdriver. Break out the required cable entries and screw cable glands into all open entries. The cable glands are not included. The mains cable must be fed into the housing on the right from above. The signal and control cables can be fed into the housing to the remaining entries. Next, mark the position of the top mounting hole on the wall. The recommended height of the display is between 1,60 m and 1,70 m. Drill the hole and insert a dowel matching the wall material. Attach the panel to the top screw and mark the bottom mounting holes by using a spirit level. Drill the holes and insert dowels matching the wall material. Fasten the panel using screws with a diameter greater or equal to 5 mm. Finally, put the supplied aluminum stickers on all wall mounting holes.